Install the storage brackets to the organizer by aligning the brackets with the holes on the organizer as shown. If using long LITE-GRIP splice trays, refer to the main 10-inch pedestal installation video. Secure to the organizer using the screws provided. Install the splice tray studs into the brackets. Position the tray on the studs. Route buffer tubes to the tray and mark where to open the buffer tube. Expose bare fibers following your standard company practices. Secure buffer tubes to the tray using the LITE-GRIP retention sleeves. Route bare fibers in the tray and reinstall the tray cover. Secure the LITE-GRIP trays to the organizer using the hold-down strap.